Hi everyone, my name is Daryl. Welcome to AlphaCars in Ural of New England. Today I wanted to show you this 2019 Ural Gear Up that we just got in. This is a satin burgundy color, and what's different about this particular bike is that this is a base bike. Most of the bikes that we order them with our powder coated drivetrain, undercoating, things like that. This one, it doesn't have any of those features, which some of you might find attractive because the price difference is a couple $1,000 less. It's a base color, so there's no upcharge for it. So, but all the other features are here. We have the spare tire and rack, the jerry can. It's a two-wheel drive model. It has the new style fuel injection, the modified engine for 2019. So this is a great value for someone that's interested in picking up a 2019 and getting it at a great price. So if you visit our website, you can check this bike out along with all the others we have in our inventory. Thank you very much, and I appreciate you watching the video.